Good morning, students. So I'm going to teach you guys how to play this game called Naufragio, kind of like Battleship. It's a little bit like the game we played with the numbers, where you had the snake and you had to get from one side to the other, and you guys went back and forth and colored in the spaces. It's kind of like that. So basically, you have a board. You have 10 times across the top and 10 times down the sides. So you have 100 squares to play with. So you're going to play with two people. Each person is a different color. We're going to start with the youngest person. All right. So let's say I'm here. I want to pick, well, I've already started here. This time here, 7:40. So I'm going to say, son las 7:40. And that's correct, so I get to color in that space. Then the next person's turn, and he decides or she decides to say 5:15. Son las 5:15. Or son las 5:15. Got it right. So that person gets to cover that space up. So now we each have one space covered up. Now the object is to get 3 spaces in a row. So since I have this one here, I'll go for these two here. Son las 10:16. I got it right. So I'm going to copy that, paste a new one here. All right, I have 2 in a row. Now it's my partner's turn. Son las 6:50. So they're going to go up here. Oops, did I copy those together? What's going on? Why are they moving different? Okay, there we go. Now we both have 2. All right, and I want to get my third one in a row, but I might want to stop my partner, so I could do one of these and get around my partner, but I'm just going to go for the point. Son las 8. All right, I get to cover up that. So now I have 3 in a row, so now I get to mark a point down here at the bottom. Jugador means player, so player 1, player 2. All right, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to circle my point here. All right, so that's my point. All right, cool. So I get 1 point. Now my partner's turn. Son las 2:50. All right, got it right. So now he gets a point. He's going to mark down here the point. Boom. Now we both have a point. Now we just keep going back and forth like this until either we get, you can play to 10 points, you can play to 15 points. Remember, you can block each other. Here's one important piece of information though. If I get this one covered and this one covered, that still does not count because one space can only count towards one ship. So because I used this one for this ship here, this same piece cannot count for this one here. I have to get a third one here, like this. Boom. Okay, now it counts as 2 different ships. Boom, boom. All right, have fun. Learn those times. Make sure you're saying them in Spanish, and we'll see you later. Have a great time.